Hey, today we're drawing the blue space beast. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So I used to carry around notepads with me, and I still have them. They're strategically placed everywhere I go, but I rarely draw on them these days. I mostly draw on this Samsung tablet. That's been my focus. It's just easier for me. I don't have to erase or deal with paper or pencils and carrying all that stuff. Now I just do it on the tablet. But with that, I thought I'd revisit something I drew on a sketchbook, one of my little sketchbooks, and I'd recreate it here. And with that being said, I could now add color to it. So this time it's going to be blue. And I'm not very good at the program I use, Infinite Painter. I'm not real good at it, so I'm just using it as I would if I was using real art supplies, I guess. So I'm just kind of coloring it in. I know there's probably a way to fill it without having to do it by pen, but I don't know how to do that. So if you do, shoot me a message or tip or something. Let me know how. But this one I kept pretty straightforward. It's pretty flat. It's got a flat blue. I drew some simple highlights on it, some halftones. In this case, because of the blue, I threw in the kind of a yellowish green background. But that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you around. Comment, like, and subscribe. See ya.